Welcome student. This is Rahul Singh Maurya, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in MLB Textile and Engineering College. Today in this video, in previous we will study about, we have seen vernier caliper, the angular measurement device, that is sine bar. And today's topic is vernier caliper. Vernier caliper is a linear measurement device which is used for very accurate linear measurement. The vernier caliper has two graduated scale. One is main scale, that one is main scale, and another is auxiliary scale. The scale downward is auxiliary scale, and it is also called as vernier scale. So vernier caliper consists of two graduated scale. One is main scale and another is auxiliary scale known as vernier scale. Generally, vernier caliper are widely used in scientific laboratories and in manufacturing for quality control measurement, as it is very accurate linear measurement device. Use of vernier caliper is to measure the length of a component, to measure the outside diameter of a cylindrical job, also to determine the inside diameter of a hollow cylinder or anything. Also it can be used to measure the depth of a hole. In this image we can see here the instrument is measuring the depth of beaker, and in this image the instrument is used to measure the inside diameter of the beaker. And in this image the vernier caliper is used to measure the outside diameter, and in this image the length is measured. Here we can see that we can measure the length, outside diameter, inside diameter, also depth we can measure with the help of vernier caliper. So component of vernier caliper, this one is known as inside caliper jaws. These one are uses to measure the inside diameter of any object. This is the outside caliper jaws. These are used to determine the length or outside diameter of any object. And this is the main scale reading. This is the vernier scale reading or vernier scale. This is the coarse locking screw, and this is the final locking screw. Means when we are measuring the outside or inside diameter, first we hold the object. After holding we tighten the screw so that reading can't be changed after removing the object from the jaws. So the screws are uses to tighten the scale. And the last one, probe, is used for depth measurement, so it is known as depth probe. And this depth probe is attached with this scale. The vernier scale can be slide, and the main scale is fixed scale. We can only slide the lower jaws of the vernier caliper, so that one area can be slide over the main scale. And along the vernier scale the depth probe can also be slide. The only fixed is main scale. This main scale frame is fixed. So here are the some advantages of the vernier scale, that vernier scale can be used for when we required accuracy and precision. Also integrated scales are there on vernier scale, as the main scale and vernier scale are built into the tool. Another measuring instrument such as ruler or tape measure is not required. Versatility is also there. Vernier caliper can be used to take a variety of different measurement. We can measure outside diameter, inside diameter, length of any object. Also, depth of a hole can be measured with the help of vernier scale. So, it is very versatile. Durability, as we know that most of the vernier caliper are made out of stainless steel, since steel is very durable material as all we know. So with proper care, a stainless steel vernier caliper can last a lifetime. Also, when we talk about the cost compared to other types of caliper, vernier caliper are relatively inexpensive. Also, there are some disadvantages of the vernier scale, that while taking the reading, you must have good eyesighting. Otherwise, there may be error in the reading. Also, knowledge of vernier caliper is required. How to read, how to use the vernier caliper, how to take the reading from the vernier scale and calculate finally the measurement. And also the possibility of error is there in vernier scale. So these all are disadvantages of the vernier scale. Thank you.